Is your electronic product overheating? Overheating can significantly impact both the performance and safety of your electronics. That's why effectively managing heat is crucial. At Opulent, we understand the challenges of thermal management. We know the complex factors affecting your device's performance, from materials and component selection to design and manufacturing. That's why we offer customized thermal solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're experiencing overheating in an existing product or lack in-house thermal expertise and tools during development, Opulent can be your partner. Our comprehensive approach starts with a deep dive into your PCB design, materials, and heat pathway. We leverage cutting-edge thermal simulation tools to analyze heat flow at both the component and system level. This translates into expert guidance throughout the entire product lifecycle, from concept to manufacturing. We can even help you design a PCB with specific thermal constraints, ensuring your product operates safely and efficiently. Partner with Opulent for peak performance. Contact us today to learn more and keep your electronics running cool.